Today we received this product by RexPro. This is the RexShield multi-surface A1, and this is the isopropyl alcohol. Okay, this is the two products. I already read the instruction, I already see the video. The first step is use a clean cloth. That's our cloth, that is clean, folded. And I'm gonna use the isopropyl alcohol 99% for professional use only. Okay, brand new. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna put the sprayer tight and spray on the surface. And why we put isopropyl alcohol? Because we want to clean the surface, and beside that we want to remove any kind of residue for any cleaner that we previously used. So this is the first step before using the RexPro A1 multi-surface sealer. A little bit more because the alcohol dries fast. I'm gonna open it. Close, and it says gently shake well before use. Shake, 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 shake the sealer. Okay, we are ready. You ready to shake? I have been following the instructions. This is the procedure that we're gonna do. So let's do it. See, it's gonna look beautiful. Sonia's making the dinner, and I'm so happy to use this product because cleaning the stainless steel is a pain in the and this is gonna be awesome. Awesome. You have to double check. Gonna do the size. Antonia's making Picasso food also. The chicken. Looks good. So we're finished. It dried fast. I'm gonna let it sit